What's up guys, welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skatepark. And today I'm going to teach you guys rock transfers over the spine. Check it out. The skill level for this trick is intermediate, and the risk level for this trick is high due to the hang-up factor. In this episode, I'll be teaching you how to rock transfer over a spine the safest way, and also how to minimize fear and hang-up risk so you can have more fun while skating the park. For this lesson, it helps if you can skate comfortably, pump in transitions, drop in, rock roll in, rock out over coping, rock to fakie, fakie rock, and knee slide. If you don't know how to do any of these, please refer back to my other videos on this channel to catch up. Here are the things you guys should do. Please wear a quality helmet and knee pads while learning. Watch my 5 mini ramp rock tricks video to understand and learn rock outs and rock roll-ins for extra help. Please practice your rock roll-ins to build confidence and understanding of clearing your back truck over the coping as you pump into the transition. You can also practice rock drop-ins to help you build additional confidence if needed. Here are the things you guys shouldn't do. Don't step one leg over as you're about to go into your rock stall on the spine. Don't just go for it. Work up to your trick, practice and build confidence, and commit to your rock stall. The first thing I'm going to help you with is breaking your fear. Stand on the spine coping and knee slide in or run out. Try to wash sideways into your knee slide until this becomes easy. Next, lay your board on the outside of the coping if possible, and gently hop or wiggle your feet out heel to toe to spread your feet out into rock position and rock in from there. Next, find a quarter pipe that's the same height as the spine you're skating and skate up into your rock stall on the deck and press on the nose to clear your back truck onto the deck of the ramp. Repeat this to gain understanding of the speed and pump required so you can really focus on clearing your back truck without having to go down the spine. Next, I'm going to help you gain an understanding of how your rock transfer works. Make sure you have enough speed to pump up and into your rock stall on the coping. The secret to this comes from controlling your pump up the ramp and into your stall. If you're skating too fast, you need to de-pump and bend down as you ride up the spine ramp and into your rock stall. De-pump means to let your body sink down and into the transition instead of lifting up as you ride up. Now, if you're going too slow, you need to exaggerate your pump and really reach up and continue to reach up and into your stall. If you go too slow, you really need to exaggerate your pump up the ramp to maximize your effort to get up into your stall. You want to stall on the coping without having too much speed so you don't have to overshoot the coping, which will force you to jump over the ramp. The goal is to control your panic and pump up into your rock stall in the middle of your board with your front foot up on the nose so you can tuck down as you lean into the ramp from your stall and rock on the nose to clear your back truck as you ride down into your pump out. Here are the simple steps for spine rock transfers. Here's the foot setup position for a rock roll in, a rock out, or a rock transfer over the spine. First, drop in with your feet set in riding position, back foot on the tail, front foot up just behind the bolts, heels and toes matching. Wiggle your front foot up onto the nose just before riding up the spine. Have enough speed to pump up the spine and into your rock stall without going over the ramp. Watch the coping as you pump straight up and into your stall on the coping so your shoulders match your board. Now extend your arms out for balance and bend down with your knees to set your body weight, which will help you stabilize into your stall on the coping. Look at your board to make sure you are centered in the middle of your board and your front foot is up on the nose. To rock in, bend your knees and tuck down as you lean in over the nose. Once you feel yourself start to lean in, be sure to watch your front wheels so you can rock in when they touch the ramp. The most important thing is to rock hard enough to clear your back truck and wheels over the coping and pump out as you ride down. How to add style. As you become more comfortable, you can rock over the spine without stalling. To do this, cut out your stall and make sure as you pump into your rock, you continue to lean forward over your nose in one smooth motion and tuck down into that rock on the nose to clear your back truck. Here's how to bail. Commit to getting into your rock stall. If you get scared, commit to jumping over the spine and into a run out or knee slide. Otherwise, commit to your rock stall, and once you're in your rock stall, lean your head over the toe side of your board and jump off into a run out or knee slide in down the ramp. My pro tip for this lesson, remember that your body goes where your head goes and to keep your shoulders matching your board. Once your rock transfer becomes simple, begin to carve backside into your stall, and as you add speed, you can rock slide transfer over the spine. When you do this, make sure to keep your head centered over the coping, leaning forward over your toes in case your board stops. Your momentum will carry you off of your board, and you can either run down the ramp or into a knee slide. Here are some common problems and how to correct them. Some have too much speed into their rock stall, which forces their rock stall to slide against the back truck and lose balance. For this, you need to slow down and pump up onto the coping instead of relying on the speed to get you into your rock stall. Most people don't rock hard enough while learning and begin to build a bad habit of catching their back truck on the coping every time they go in. You can get away with this bad habit on smaller spine ramps, but once you get to 6 feet and over, you run a real big risk of hanging up as you go in. To help fix this, move your front foot up further on the nose for additional leverage to rock in with less effort. If you need more than that, tuck down, leaning over the front foot so you're lower to the ground as you rock in. Some people go too fast and overshoot the spine. For this, please slow down and pump up. Or get brave and just launch over the spine and air over and into your landing. Do you need extra confidence to get into your rock transfer on the spine? If so, ride up and practice your rock to fakie and lean over your front foot little by little until you are able to balance yourself on top of the coping. Here are some related trick ideas to inspire you for more combinations. For beginner, try a half cab rock transfer or nollie rock transfer over the spine. For intermediate, try backside rock slide transfer and a fakie rock transfer and ollie into your rock transfer over the spine. For advanced, try back D revert transfer and a kickflip rock transfer over the spine. For pro, try frontside rock slide transfer, frontside lip slide to fakie, frontside lip slide rock and roll transfer, or begin to learn your ollies straight over the spine. The skate term for this lesson is transfer. A transfer is when you connect a line from a bowl or a ramp to a separate bowl or ramp in the skate park. Remember that this is a channel and we have many more videos for you. Please click the blue heart logo to learn more. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. We put a lot of time and love into making quality educational skate videos for you. We even upload them for free to help more people around the world. So please send a donation to keep this channel alive. Donation details in the description box below. Leave me your comments and represent your country, including any questions you may have, ideas or lessons for future videos, and your thoughts or feedback about this video, so I can continue to do my best to help you reach your goals. I hope you were inspired by this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Please help support us. Click that like and subscribe button to encourage me to make a new video every week. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons. Ready?
Yep.
Ready, set, go. Yeah, it sounded good. I wung it.
Yeah, no.
I winged it. I wung that. Yeah, I don't know why I put that. I think because I was gonna do it. Those are gonna be separate episodes. trying to think of something else, and I'm trying to think because I don't want to say, I mean, I want to say don't just go for it, but like that's kind of skating, right? Hey.
Should we zoom out?
Yeah.
Nice work.
Yeah, yeah.
That was a fast one.
Hey, we're getting it. Yeah.